So I'm at my old buddy's house that's in real bad shape with the diabetes, and he's going blind. I'm trying to help him. And because he can't believe how many flies are on this fly paper. 2 days. Look at this. Thousands of them. Oh my God. Well, I didn't want to embarrass him, but this fella I'm trying to kind of take care of. His wife died unexpectedly, and she was the one that was managing everything. He's in really awful shape, and he can still stand, but he can hardly walk, can't see, can't really dial his phone. He's got 3 horses and this hog to deal with, and he's got a huge fly infestation from having feed, just wet, rainy feed all over the ground fermenting. And it's right next to the door so that he doesn't have to go very far. So every time he opens the door, hundreds of flies come in, and I couldn't stand it. So I just went and got some fly paper, wrapped it around this barrel, and man, did it catch a bunch of them. This is like one of the thinner ones. So I just wrapped some more around a propane tank. I've already caught like 100 flies in just a few minutes. It's working very well. I came over to Link's house to feed the horses and feed old Deli Ham here, and I'm feeding him over in a different spot. Link can't get off the porch, so he just flings the feed off one side for the horses, off the other side for the pig, and he throws all this rotten old food over here, which stinks like you wouldn't believe, and the hog just lays in the mud and eats it. Well, this place is swarming with flies, and I took that fly paper, wrapped around a propane tank, and it's only been about 2 hours. How's that? Is that disgusting? I'd say pretty soon I'm gonna run out of flies here. Every few minutes I'd be walking by and I just kind of kick around, and that gets them all up in the air, and maybe 100 come up in the air or 50 come up in the air, but you get a few of them jump on every time. And the more flies land on there, the more the other ones say, hey, what's going on up there, guys? There's something to eat. And they land on it. So before long we're gonna run out of them here. It's gonna break the life cycle. There's not gonna hardly be any giving birth by next month. You know, flies only live a couple weeks, something like that. So if they're not giving birth, then you're gonna run out of them, and that's what we want here.